All right. So we're trying to solve a problem which appeared in JEE Mains 2022. And this problem is actually from the straight line chapter. In this question, what has been asked to find out is the distance of the centroid from the origin actually. And the centroid is of course not given. What is given to us is basically the two sides of the triangles are along these two lines, and the orthocenter of the triangle is given. So what we need to do first is to find out the centroid, and once we find out the centroid, then we have to find out the distance of the centroid from the origin. Now, if we have to find the centroid, only thing which we know is the formula of the centroid, which is this formula, right? That G is actually equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now, I have to have all the coordinates of these vertices of the triangle. Only if I have the vertices of the triangle, then I'll be able to find out x1, x2, x3 and all that, right? So if this is what is your A, B or C, then this is what we are saying. Here we have got x1, y1 and we have got x2, y2 and then x3, y3 and then we got to find that out. Then we'll be able to find the distance of it from the origin. Okay, what is given to us is that there are two sides which are along this. One side is actually x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. And another side is actually 2x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Now, one thing which we can find out is this vertex, right? By knowing that these two lines will be intersecting here. So let's find that out first, and then we will see what else we can do further. So then I will have x minus 2y equals 2 minus 1. That is what is my first equation. And then the next equation is 2x minus y equals to 1, right? If I have to solve this, what I'll have to do is I have to multiply the first one with 2 and then maybe subtract it. So if I multiply with 2 and subtract, I will get minus 3y here, 2 into x, 2x to x will cancel. This will become minus 4y, this will become plus y because of subtraction. And this will become minus 2 and then we will have another one, right? So 2 into this and then a minus 1, so minus 3 and then y would be actually equal to 1. If I substitute here, this will become x also will become 1. So we've got this point as 1, 1. So one of the points we got. And what else is given is the orthocenter, which is somewhere here. The orthocenter is 7 by 3 and 7 by 3. So what is orthocenter actually? The orthocenter is the meeting place of all the perpendicular which are drawn from the vertex, right? So one thing which we can say here is that a line which is going to be perpendicular to this will pass through this orthocenter, right? And wherever this line is going to intersect, this line will be my vertex C. So what we are saying here is that there is going to be a perpendicular which would be drawn through this and it will be meeting here. So I'll have to find out the equation of this line which is going to be perpendicular to this line. And then of course it is passing through 7 by 3 and 7 by 3. And wherever this line meets with this line, then we'll be able to find the vertex C. Similarly, the same thing, if I am able to basically find the equation of this perpendicular, which is passing through 7 by 3, 7 by 3, and which is actually intersecting this line, then we'll be able to find the vertex B. So how do I find out the line which is perpendicular to this? We know that if you've got a line which is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and I have to find out a line which is perpendicular to this, we can write it as bx minus ay and plus c1 equals to 0. And then we will substitute from wherever it is passing. So for this line, what we have got is x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. So I could write it as this is 2x plus y minus 1 equals minus not 1, sorry, any constant which I don't know yet, plus c equals to 0 is a line which is perpendicular to this. And also this line is passing through 7 by 3, 7 by 3. So this will satisfy. So I'll just substitute 2 into 7 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus c equals to 0. From here, if I do this, I'll get minus 7. So I've got another line which is 2x plus y equals to 7. Now I have to have this line intersect with this line, which is 2x minus y equals to 1. So 2x minus y equals to 1. So this is what is my first equation, right? Or second it was. Then these two lines will intersect at point C, so we'll just add up. So I'll get 4x equals to 8. So x will be actually equal to 2. If I substitute x equals to 2, then I'll get y equals to 3. So this point I've found out this point also 2 comma 3. Now similar way I can find out the equation of the line which is gonna be perpendicular to this. So this time it will be x, and this will become plus 2y plus, let's say, c2 equals to 0. Now this line is gonna pass through 7 by 3, 7 by 3. So this will become 7 by 3 plus 2 into 7 by 3 plus c2 equals to 0. Now c2 will become minus 7 again. So this will become x plus 2y equals to 7. This line has to intersect with x minus 2y plus 1. So I'm saying that this line has to come and then intersect with this line, right? If I have to find out b. So then I'll have to say this is x minus 2y equals to minus 1. That is what is my first equation. This is what is my fourth equation. So I'll sum up both of these equations. I get 2x equals to 6. So x is actually equal to 3. If I substitute here, I get y. So I'll get y equals to 2. Okay. If I substitute this, so then I get 3 comma 2. Now what will be my g this way? So now I've got all those points. So this is gonna be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3 in a sense. And then this will be also 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this will become 2, and this will also become 2. So now I got the point G. Our distance from origin would be simply 0 minus 2 whole squared plus 0 minus 2 whole squared, and that will become 2 square plus 2 square, which is 8, which is 2 root 2. So you found a number to be 2 root 2. That is what your answer.